Today I'm out at Muscleman Honda Circuit for the Gaijin Smash, the GSK big event. This is kind of like an invite-only event where pretty much you have to have a cool car and be a cool driver. Like this super low S14. Or like this bright purple pink 350Z. Or, you know, FDRX7. Or a bright yellow S14. I gotta say thank you to Neil and his girl who are running this event for inviting me. I'm super stoked to be out here. I did a couple laps last night to feel out the track. This is the first time I've driven at Muscleman Honda Circuit. It's really cool. It's a go-kart track, mirrored from a famous Japanese go-kart track here in the Arizona desert. So it's really good for drifting. It's just wide enough. It's got the right kind of back and forth. It's a really nice, technical, flowy track, and I've been super happy with it. So I also installed electric power steering in my car. We're gonna go ahead and give that a go and see how it feels. One of the things that a lot of people say about the electric steering is it doesn't like self-center or self-steer very well. And I think that's true. Like, there's kind of this dead spot right here in the middle where it just doesn't know what to do. So it's kind of weird, kind of annoying, but it seems to be more of an issue when street driving versus when you're drifting. It seems to work okay. One of the things I really like about Muscleman is it's like a hot lap track. I chucked it in too early. There we go. So it self-steers seemingly just fine. Somebody's off track there. They're pulling that purple 240 off with a four-wheeler because it is stuck good over there. My bumper fell off. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That one was keeping it on. Okay. So these lower ones are keeping it on. All right. That was so rad! I'm gonna do that again. Oh man, that entry was so sick. I gotta do that again. Okay, we're gonna let tires cool off a little bit here. Oh man, That was a backwards entry. That was so sick. Oh, and I lost it. Ah. This is so cool. That was so sick. I want to do that again. Reverse entry. That was so sick. I could have pulled it out too, but I just had, I wasn't quite deep enough into the corner. This is rad. Okay, I like the electric power steering now. At first I really wasn't sure. It just doesn't, it drives different. And I think once I've kind of gotten used to it driving different, it's good. All right, we'll do one more lap and then we'll let the car cool off. I might be getting too much speed here, so let's see. Let's keep it kind of mild. Okay. Alright. We're gonna let tires cool off now. Let the car cool off. Oh, that was so sick. So sick. Yeah. Ah, so good. Electric power steering goes good. This is really fun to be able to drive and not be super worn out yet. Normally at this point I'd be like, I need to take a break because I'm physically exhausted, but that's not the case here. All right, let's go around and check out some other cars because there are some really cool cars here at the GSK Gaijin Smash event here at Muscleman Honda Circuit. The Black Cloud Brotherhood is a local group of drivers as well as a company that does some tires and everything else for the drift community here in Arizona. Phoenix, Tucson, all that good stuff. They've always got really good looking cars. Check this out. I love this car. Super clean, really well done. V-mount. The radiator, intercooler, JZ, all that good stuff. Nice BRZ FRS GT86, don't know what it is, but yeah, that's a drift car. A couple more of the Black Cloud Brotherhood cars. Got their S14 here, and then another BMW Ford Air. I really like this S14. I typically like the Kuki. This is a Zenki, an early model. The headlights, you can tell, are different. But this is just a nice, clean, simple looking car. No, good aero, no crazy wheels. This is just a nice, clean looking car. Of course, we have the latest and greatest American innovation in drifting, the Corvette. These are becoming super, super common, not only at pro level, but also grassroots level, because they are a really They are really good cars, sports cars in general, and then when you bring them out drifting, you do some oil system mods, some oil cooling stuff, oil pressure stuff, and like other than that, it's just basic drift stuff, coilovers and a bolt-on angle kit, and you're good to go. We've got Neil over here with his Safiro. I've been picking his brain about Safiro stuff because I have one in Japan, and we're about to go to Ebisu Spring Matsuri, so this is cool to get to check out his car and pick his brain on setup a little bit. He blew up a diff, so he's swapping his diff right now. Got this well-sorted E36, kind of a basic car. A little rough around the edges, but this car shreds. The guy who owns it, he's actually renting out to his buddy for this event, and they both can wheel pretty good. They're doing pretty all right. And I love this. Laurel, so we got Laurel, Safiro, S14, I don't know if it's Sylvia, but you know, right-hand drive. Lots of cool stuff like that. I guess a lot of these guys from the Gaijin Smash group knew each other because of Japan. A lot of them had lived in Japan for a while, and they met each other through that. They started in Japan, and then a lot of them moved back here. So there are people from Arizona, California, Texas. There's one person here that I know from, they used to live in Wyoming when I lived in Utah, you know, about 10 years ago. So it's pretty cool seeing people come from all over for this event. And we got, I think, like 60 some odd drivers. There's some real OGs here too, I've heard. People that when I first got into drifting, you know, 15 years ago, they were kind of top of the game back then, and some were here. It's pretty cool to see these guys that are like, I don't know, arguably retired from drifting, but still coming out for fun events like this. Bright yellow turbo KA S13. This is, I think, Dwayne's car, and he was a judge for clutch kickers when I drove clutch kickers down in Florida when they were last at the old Emerald Coast Dragway. R32 sedans. This is cool cars. S14. Lots of SR cars here. It's pretty cool. I missed this earlier, a JZX 100. It even has the the seat doilies. All right, let's go get some more laps in. I'm running these new to me Zek Nova tires. I ran these at Fuel Fest and killed a set there really quick. But here the tire life is really good at this track, so they're lasting quite a while here with no real issues. Dang, so close. So close. This is good, man. Driving this track is something else. This is so much fun. Okay. There's too much dirt there. I don't want to do that again. Beautiful RX-7. I'm going to give him some room. I'm not going to get right up on him. Okay. I'm going to take this first corner chill because they're probably going to be getting mad at me for dirt dropping again. So We're just gonna take it nice and chill. Behind me. I'm gonna park it right here, let the car cool off, let tires cool off a little bit. Car broke. I don't know what's going on. Oh no! The Supercharger clutch is done! No! That sucks. That sucks a lot. That was fun until it wasn't. Clutch the Supercharger is done, so now, shoot, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go through this. I'm gonna have to try and find the same size AC compressor, fully clutch. I don't know, man. But that's it for me.
Stay tuned for next time, where I tear down the Supercharger and see what's broken. Is it the clutch? Is it something significantly worse? I don't know! We'll find out soon.